Number 1. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. It has covered 258,000 miles and comes finished in a gold exterior with a matching interior. It's a 3-door extended cab, powered by the legendary 5.7L V8 Vortec engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission. The drivetrain includes the NV241C manual transfer case and a sturdy GM 10-bolt rear end with 4.10 gears, a combination built for pulling, climbing, and enduring whatever the road demands. The truck has been carefully reconditioned by its current owner's husband, a true Chevy enthusiast who has worked on it with passion, not out of necessity, but out of pride and respect for the heritage it carries. Every bolt tightened and every component inspected reflects the dedication he has put into this pickup. Today, the truck sits confidently on brand new all-terrain tires, with both the engine and transmission running beautifully, making it a strong and reliable example of a classic Chevy built to last. Number 2. 1963 Ford F100, price $8,500. It has just 90,000 miles on it and comes with a manual transmission. Finished in sleek black on both the exterior and interior, it runs on gasoline and has been tastefully upgraded while keeping its classic charm. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a rebuilt 302 V8 engine featuring an Edelbrock intake, Holley 4-barrel carburetor, ported heads, an electric fuel pump, and a deep oil pan. The manual transmission shifts smoothly, just as it should. Modern comforts have been added as well, including an aftermarket air conditioning unit that blows ice cold, making it enjoyable to drive even in the heat. The fuel tank has been relocated to the bed for improved practicality, and the truck has been fitted with disc brakes up front for better stopping power. Overall, this F100 is in very good shape for its year and is offered with a clean Florida title. Number 3. 1995 GMC Sierra, price $10,000, comes with 185,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a gray interior, it presents a clean and well-maintained look both inside and out. The truck carries a clean title, and the current seller is the third owner, able to provide a Carfax report for added peace of mind. The Sierra runs and drives well, with a smooth shifting transmission that performs as it should. The exterior is in good condition, having been recently repainted, though a few small dings can be found throughout. The interior stands out in great condition, with gray seats that show no rips or tears. Highlighting how well it has been cared for over the years, several upgrades and new parts have been installed to further enhance the truck, including new headlights, taillights, a GMC grille emblem, 454 style side mirrors, MVP trim molding, a license plate frame, a front bumper lip, rear bumper trim, and a rear leveling spring. It rides on Cooper Cobra tires mounted on billet 15x8 wheels all around, giving it a classic yet refreshed stance. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1982 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching interior, it carries the timeless look that enthusiasts appreciate. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 350 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, offering smooth shifting and strong performance. The truck is also equipped with 4x4 capability and heavy-duty 8-lug axles, giving it the toughness to handle both daily driving and off-road use. Running on gasoline, this Chevy starts, runs, and drives as it should, with the added benefit of being completely rust-free, something rarely found in trucks of this vintage. The current owner holds a clean Oregon title in their name, ensuring a straightforward transfer. Overall, this is a well-kept and good condition square body that combines classic style, capability, and collectability. Number 5. 1988 Jeep Comanche, price $9,500, finished in gray. It has 245,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Known for its durability, it's offered as is and still runs strong with a healthy 4.0L engine, Dana axles, and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. It has received several upgrades, including a 1995 Cherokee front grille with new headlights, sanded and primed bodywork, new mirrors, a Cherokee steering wheel, and a full OEM bench seat in good condition. A 2-inch ball hitch on the rear bumper makes hauling easy, while the music deck works perfectly. Registration is paid through next year, and with just a tune-up needed to pass smog, this reliable workhorse is ready for its next owner. Number 6. 1998 GMC 1500, price $7,800. It shows 198,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a strong V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance. Finished in a green exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck presents itself well for its age and remains comfortable and functional inside. It runs on gasoline and all features are reported to be in good working order, including the air conditioning and other essentials. The owner notes that the truck has been kept up to date on maintenance, with current tags and tires that are close to new. A clean title is in hand, making this Sierra a solid and dependable option for anyone looking for a practical yet classic pickup that is ready to be driven immediately.
Number 7.
1988 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,000. Under the hood, it carries a dependable 305 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 700R4 automatic transmission, delivering both reliability and ease of driving. The truck sits on brand new tires and even comes with extra parts and additional bed hoods, making it a practical choice for anyone who values both performance and utility. The Silverado has been thoughtfully maintained, with all new steering components ensuring confident handling on the road. Every system works exactly as it should, giving the next owner peace of mind. Comfort has also been considered, as the truck is equipped with cold air conditioning, a feature that makes it enjoyable to drive in any weather.
Number 8.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,500, comes with a clean title and has approximately 181,000 miles on it. Powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, the truck may not win beauty contests, but it's a solid workhorse that starts right up and runs great. The exterior is finished in white with a blue interior, showing its history as an original City of Seaside service truck.
While the heat works perfectly, the air conditioning is currently non-functional.
Recently, a new fan clutch was installed just a month ago, and the transmission shifts smoothly with no issues.
The tires are in fair condition and still roadworthy. The only noted concern is an electrical drain that may require a new battery or alternator. Number 9.
1988 Ford F150, price $4,000. The owner has replaced the brakes, hoses, starter, radiator, front shocks, and tires, ensuring the truck remains mechanically dependable. The front fuel tank recently received a new fuel pump, and the clutch was replaced a couple of years ago, giving extra confidence in its drivability. While the truck does show its age, with some rust and even a hole in the bed, the frame itself is in fairly solid condition. Inside, the seat has a few splits, and the headliner carries some tears. It comes without a radio and does not have air conditioning, but overall, it remains a straightforward and honest pickup that has been kept running with consistent care.
Number 10.
1996 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,000. It has seen 200,000 miles of use, powered by a strong and reliable diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. It carries a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless look that still turns heads. The air conditioning system is fully functional and blows cold, making it comfortable to drive even on warmer days. While the truck remains solid overall, it does come with a few areas that will require attention.
The steering box needs replacement, the driver's side rear seat window and rear view mirror are missing, and the interior roof lining is due for replacement.
These are mostly manageable fixes, and once addressed, the truck will be even more enjoyable and practical.